today we're gonna bring this new product, and we're gonna show you guys how it's a lock, right? And we're gonna show you how it works, and they give you a couple of washers, the screw, and the main system itself, including. All right, so if you guys can see, it's a ball head in the top, and then you could actually drill this in there. We're gonna show you guys how to set it up and how the whole thing works. Right now, we're gonna demo it, how it locks in, and how you release it. So right now, if you guys can see, if you try to put this on any kind of device, it won't come out, all right? There's no way of coming out, and you could drill this in somewhere, but if you push the button, it releases. Simple, because of the bolt head. So you could use this for anything, vehicles, wood carpentry, any cabinets. If you have a door handle or something, you don't want something to lock easy, it's simple. You could have something that just locks automatically with this, with hinges instead of hinges. Very simple, easy to use, really strong. Very strong. Let you guys know, these are perfect for RVs, even to close and open doors. So right now, I'm going to push it in all the way in. So we got a washer here on one end, and then if you guys can see it, we have the washer on the other side. Now we're going to lock this in completely, and you can see how strong it is. So we're going to put it down so we could demo it. If you guys can see, we're going to lock it in. So if you have a door, you say you set this up on a door, it also has a screw here that you could remove too, that you could add to any kind of thin wood or thick wood, because you also have a screw in here. So that's not bad. We're going to lock it in. Look how strong it is, all right? That's how strong it grabs. It grabs in pretty strong, pretty durable. And then you just push the button if you want to open it. But if you have a door, it could lock in there in place. Because of the bolt head, it locks in completely. It won't move. If you have a flat surface or anything, this will not even be moving. So with a push of a button, it'll be perfect. So this will be perfect for RV doors or any kind of construction you have or any projects that you're using for. So a release mechanism is a perfect thing for these things. So easy to use, easy to set up. I hope you guys enjoy the video.